What drives innovation in our economy? That's a complex question, but undeniably the greatest contributor to innovation is the spirit of competitiveness. It lends us the drive and incentive to make the most meaningful leaps in industry and technology. Founded in 1986, the Council on Competitiveness is a nonpartisan, non-governmental organization that works to set an action agenda to drive U.S. competitiveness. And here to tell us more is President and CEO Deborah Wince-Smith. Deborah, welcome.
Thank you.
Deborah, where does the U.S. stand today when it comes to innovation?
The U.S. is very fortunate. We're still the global leader when it comes to innovation capacity. We have tremendous research universities, national labs, a private sector that has led the world in developing and commercializing game-changing products and services that command a premium in global markets. So we're in a very good position going forward, but there are a lot of clouds on the horizon that we need to address if we're going to maintain our innovation capacity in the years ahead.
What do we need to do to ensure we remain number one, and where does the Council on Competitiveness come in?
Productivity right now is not doing as well as it did in the years of 2000 to 2005. But we have some things we have to do to really jumpstart growth in the country. First, we need to make sure we're investing in people, that we're ensuring that we have an education system that delivers value to our young people all the way up to the highest researchers. We also need to ensure that we're investing in long-term basic research on which the innovation capacity of the future derives. But very importantly, and we can deal with this right now, let's get our fiscal and regulatory house in order. You know, the United States now has the highest corporate tax rate in the world. It's close to 40%. We are stranding about $1.95 trillion overseas that's not being repatriated to invest back in the United States because of our innovation-hostile tax environment. And we also have tremendous burdens, regulatory burdens, placed on our small and medium-sized firms that are the wellspring of innovation.
And I understand the Council on Competitiveness has recently issued its clarion call. What's outlined here?
The clarion call is our report card to the nation. We've issued grades to the country. We're giving our nation a C on talent because we're not yet providing the immigration tools to keep the best and brightest in our country. We're giving the country an A on our technology investment because we're moving so far aggressively ahead on our manufacturing and energy opportunities. A D on investment because we're de-investing in innovation capacity through our federal investment in research and development. And a C in infrastructure. Some progress there, but we have a $1.2 trillion deficit in infrastructure, and we need to invest in the transportation, the energy, and the water that enables our business to thrive and prosper.
Well, this has been very eye-opening. Deborah, thanks for being our guest.
Thank you very much.
We've been talking to Deborah Wince-Smith, President and CEO of the Council on Competitiveness. Learn more at compete.org.